Hello everyone, in this video, our group will present the risk register for our ISPM project based on our field study at UMKM Sate Blora. A risk register is an important project management tool used to identify potential risks, analyze their causes, and determine appropriate responses. Through this presentation, we will explain the main risks identified in our project, including communication, scheduling, human resource, and technical risks.
Okay, let's start with the first and highest ranked risk in our project. The most critical risk in our project is possibility of miscommunication during interview with the UMKM owner. This may happen either when the explanations are unclear, or when the discussion time is short, or when active listening is not done properly. This risk is usually triggered by responses that are unclear or incomplete during the interview. If it's not managed properly, it can lead to inaccurate data and misunderstanding about Sate Blora business operation.
To respond to this communication risk, our group applied several mitigation strategies. We confirm important information by asking follow-up questions, refreshing the owner's answers, and recording the interview. The interview team has assigned as the risk owner with a medium probability but high impact. The risk remains open but controlled through careful documentation and clarification.
Risk 2. Schedule risk. The second risk identified is schedule conflict with the owner of UMKM Sate Blora. The risk exists because the owner has limited availability due to daily business operation. The trigger of this risk is a sudden change or cancellation of the interview schedule. If this risk occurs, it could delay data collection and affect the overall project timeline.
Respond to schedule risk. To reduce the risk, our group prepare a backup schedule and confirm the interview time in advance. The project leader was assigned as the risk owner for this category. The probability and impact of this risk are considered medium. By planning ahead and maintaining good communication, we were able to minimize scheduling issue.
Risk 3. Human resource risk. Another important risk in our project is unequal task risk distribution among group members. This risk was caused by the absence of a clear role assignment at the beginning of the project. The trigger of this risk includes delayed tasks or overlapping responsibilities, which could affect project efficiency.
To address this issue, our group discussed task allocation more clearly and agreed on individual responsibilities. Ideally, the RICI model should be applied to define who is responsible, accountable, consultant, and informed. The project leader acts as the risk owner with medium probability and medium impact. The approach helps improve coordination and accountability within the team.
Risk number 4. Technical risk. The next risk identified is technical issues related to documentation, such as poor video or audio quality or loss of interview data. The risk may be caused by insufficient equipment checks or failure to back a file. The trigger includes unclear recording or missing documentation, which could reduce the quality of the final report and video.
Yeah guys, to mitigate technical risk, our group tested a recording device beforehand and stored files in cloud storage. The documentation and media team were responsible for managing this risk. In conclusion, our risk register helped us identify potential problems and prepare effective responses. By managing communication, schedule, human resource, and technical risks, our project became more structured and controlled. Thank you for listening.